Here's a little video. Our Massey, 4880, always wouldn't it wouldn't pull. It's like it was fuel filters are plugged or something going on. So anyway, the tank was empty. And I end up pulling the strainer out. And this is what I found on the strainer inside the tank. So yeah, it's all pretty much, oops, sorry. It's all gummed up, and we're gonna clean this up. But yeah, I could see, no wonder it didn't run, or it seemed like it had no power. So anyway, just a little info. You might want to check your strainers inside your fuel tanks. You can never tell if you're getting full power or what's going on. Little heads up. Well, after cleaning it off with some brake cleaner, you can see pretty much all the crap that was in there, and I'm not sure where all that comes from, but all right, things should pull like a horse now. Well, welcome back. End of another season. I guess we got stuff in line today to get pressure washed so we can get stuff put away. Another year, no one got hurt, and it's been a pretty. We got ourselves a pressure washer today, and it's been a pretty good year. Anyway, like I said, we're just lining stuff up to wash it up, call it a year. All right, talk to you later. I'm not sure how much she likes me recording her, but if she don't, I guess I'll have to delete it. Seems like everybody jumps in and helps out, and we keep going. All right, got this thing pretty spick and span. It's pretty shiny. But both heads got new knives and guards put on them this year. You get this honeybee, the yellow one here. For some reason, it broke the head on it. But after that, we haven't had a problem with it. So the heads go back into Quonset for the winter, and we have someone come out and take a look at the combines in a couple weeks. Take a look at the valves on the engine. Maybe set them or get them set. But all right, keep rolling. Well, on the second day cleaning, we got that cleaned up. Our 75's cleaned up, ready to put away. Skid steer, pickups, just all takes a lot of time. So now we can get ready for doing maintenance over the winter again, get ready for another year. And there sits my old N7 over there, outside. That makes me want to cry, but I guess we ain't got room. All right, talk to you later. I guess here's the other ones we've got cleaned up. Like I said, it's the second day of washing and cleaning. This takes a lot of time. All right. Talk to you later. Well, we're working on a new project. And what we're working on is a probe so we can do our own soil sampling. We're putting it on the back of the old Ford here. It's all be hydraulic from the cab, and I guess you put a bucket in the bottom and the probe comes out and it pushes the sample in the bucket. So we can do our soil sampling and hopefully someday start doing precision fertilizing. So anyway, that's our new project we're working on right now after cleanup and everything's put away. All right. See how this works out. Put it down a second. Drive it down. All right. Whoa. Okay, then blow the air on it to blow it out of the probe. That's kind of chintzy. We're just in the middle of setting it up. There we go. And actually, air will blow the sample out of the probe into the bucket. Here's our controls. So, our battery, keep her going, just testing. There's a little sample bucket. All right, there you go.